community will be nominated, sir, by the Chancellor. Sir, my submission through you is that, sir. Sir, why only SC/ST, sir? I am not against them. Good. What about OBCs as members? What about women as member? What about minorities as member? Why can't we have them? So I request that kindly bring in this change. And sir, the most important thing is that, sir, what, like when I started by saying that I also run this vocational training. If I want to have a recognition, or if I want to have an affiliation with the university, are you going to take care of and protect the minority rights which is given in the Constitution or not? Sir, what happens is that, sir, in engineering colleges, I'm just giving an example. Sorry, sir, I'm taking time. Sir, engineering colleges, sir, so minority colleges have the right to administer and run the college, sir. But the university people, they say that a selection committee has to be there, wherein a technical education department will one have, education department will one have, one member from minority college can sit there and they should interview and they should select. We went against that, saying that this is interfering in the minority rights. Then the Supreme Court gave an order and said no, minorities have the right to establish, run and administer their colleges. So now my question is that, sir, in this bill, it is not mentioning, like if a minority education institute goes to the university seeking for an affiliation, minority rights should be protected. And sir, going further ahead, sir, I would like to say that 50,000 is the fees. Sir, 50,000 fees एक गरीब दे सकता है क्या, सर बताइए? सर, आप फीस रिएंबर्समेंट सारे लोगों का नहीं करेंगे. सर, फीस रिएंबर्समेंट में भी एक लेयर है, एक अमाउंट है. अगर इससे ज्यादा उसकी कमाई है तो गरीब को नहीं होगा. If you have to see the accounts as to the amount the government is spending, that is why I am saying, sir, if you bring all the departments which are offering such courses in one umbrella, और सबको पैसे देने का इनको देकर इनके जरिए उनसे अगर काम कराएंगे तो you will have the accounting and you can see then कि क्या can we offer free courses or not. Or sir, we can also do one thing. Sir, I have always been mentioning and shouting and screaming and saying that government gives machines. Previous government elections se pehle machine aa de rahe. Sir, you give a machine, I am not against it. But kindly give a sewing machine to the person or to the woman who has a valid certificate. Not just left and right. तो इसी तरीके से I am saying, sir, कि आप इतना अमाउंट अगर खर्च रहे हैं, आप सेटविन में खर्च रहे हैं, दूसरे ITIs में कर रहे हैं, टाटा के साथ आप जाकर उनके साथ स्पेंड कर रहे हैं, अब ये यूनिवर्सिटी में भी स्पेंड कर रहे हैं. 50,000 is a very big amount, sir. Sir, last year I started junior colleges. Sir, in junior college, I just take 15,000 fees. I'm taking fees, sir. 15,000. NEET, free. Tuitions for 5 months is free. But still, sir, students are unable to pay that 12,000 and 15,000 also. So do you think realistically 50,000 a poor student will be able to pay? Sir, we can also bring in the SC, ST, BC and minority welfare department in collaboration with this university, sir, so that the minority corporation also can select the students and make that payment of those courses to these students, sir. So this is what I just wanted to bring to the kind notice, sir. This is why I was requesting that this can be sent to the select committee. Sir, also 17 आप दिए हैं सर, उसमें एक वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एक सेक्टर को आप भूल गए सर. सर, नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ फैशन टेक्नोलॉजी. सर, काइंडली इंक्लूड दैट सर. इंक्लूड नेशनल लिफ्ट ऑल्सो सर. सर, द स्टेट गवर्नमेंट हैज गिवन अ लैंड, they constructed. Sir, why not NIFT also been brought? We have good girls who are interested in fashion designing, we can provide them with the fashion designing courses. And there are many other things, sir. I will give a letter to the Honorable Minister Saab with all what courses you can include. The reason is that, sir, I have an experience in this, sir. That is why I am saying, sir. Sir, I would also request, sir, with all this, sir, very important thing is that, yes, skill mein, sir, we should make sure that our child learns one foreign language also, sir. Either German, French, Spanish. Sir, in Germany, for higher studies, if one student from Telangana wants to go to Germany, the compulsion is that he should know to speak German language. Sir, in this skill developmental program, we can also have this. One foreign language can be taught. We can come in collaboration with the French embassy, the Spanish embassy, and also we can also come together with the UK embassy, sir. Sir, if our child knows a foreign language, it will help him, sir. तो मैं यही सजेशंस देना चाह रहा था, बोलना चाह रहा था आपके जरिए, और मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि मेरी जो बातें जो मैंने आपके जरिए लाया हूं, आप इसके ऊपर भी देखेंगे. एंड ऑल्सो सर, लास्टली आई वुड से, सर प्लीज नेशनल एकेडमी ऑफ कंस्ट्रक्शन को स्ट्रेंथन करिए सर. सर, लेट आवर पीपल बी अ मेस्त्री, let them be a carpenter, let him be a fall ceiling expert, let him be a plumber. सर, ये छोटे छोटे नौकरियां हैं. आज हम घर बनाते हैं, देखते हैं मेस्त्री ओडिशा से है, वो कारपेंटर राजस्थान से है, फॉल सीलिंग वाला यूपी बिहार से है. क्यों हमारे पास नहीं हो सकता सर? सो आई होप दैट सर, विदाउट फीलिंग offended, sir, I thank the honorable speaker sahab for giving me this time, sir. I wish my best of luck. And I would also like to say that wherever my services are required, I'm always available to share my experience for bringing in employment to the youth of Telangana. So thank you very much.
రాష్ట్రంలో ఉన్నటువంటి నిరుద్యోగ యువతి యువకులకి వారికి ఉద్యోగ అవకాశాలు